For more than a decade, smartphones ruled our lives. We woke up with them, we touched them before we spoke to anyone else. They guided our work, our friendships, even our sleep. But today, something feels different. Quietly, the most powerful device in human history is reaching its end.
At first, smartphones felt magical. A camera, a computer, the entire world inside our pockets. Every year brought something new. Bigger screens, faster chips, sharper photos. But over time, innovation slowed. And we stopped asking what comes next. Today, most smartphones look the same. They feel the same. They do the same things. Notifications never stop, screens demand attention, and silence feels uncomfortable. Instead of freeing us, these devices began controlling us. We scroll without thinking. We check our phones even when nothing is there. Moments are interrupted. Conversations are paused. Memories are filtered through screens. And slowly, people are asking a dangerous question. What if there is a better way? Technology never disappears. It evolves. Just like landlines became mobile phones and mobile phones became smartphones, something new is already replacing them. Artificial intelligence does not need a screen. It listens, it understands, it responds. Instead of tapping, we speak. Instead of scrolling, we experience. The future is not in our hands. It's on our faces, on our ears, on our bodies. Smart glasses, AI earbuds, invisible interfaces. Technology that blends into life instead of distracting from it. Imagine walking through a city without touching a phone. Directions appear in front of you, messages whisper into your ear, information surrounds you. No screens, no notifications, just reality enhanced. Some technologies go even further. Devices that connect directly to the human brain. No typing, no speaking. Just thought and action. Smartphones were powerful, but they were temporary. They pulled our attention downward, while the future demands we look forward. The next era requires freedom, not addiction. Of course, this change won't be instant. Many will resist it, because comfort is familiar and change is uncomfortable. But history never waits. For a while, smartphones will coexist with new technologies. But slowly, they will feel unnecessary. Just like MP3 players. Just like DVDs. Children born today may never own a smartphone. They will interact with AI as naturally as breathing. Screens will feel outdated, and silence will feel normal again. The end of smartphones is not the end of technology. It's the beginning of something more human. Technology that disappears so life can reappear. The future is not in your pocket. It's all around you. And it has already begun.